Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to disassemble the Canon 18-200mm IS lens to get access to the image stabilization unit flex cable. Recently I had this lens with an image stabilization problem. The IS did not work and it was caused by a faulty flex cable. So I had to disassemble the lens, replace the flex cable with a new one, and then assemble the lens. In this video I show you how to disassemble the lens to get access to the flex cable. This video is part of video series about repairing the Canon 18-200mm IS lens. In this first video I show you how to disassemble the lens. The second one is about replacing the flex cable with a new one. And the third, last video is about assembling the lens. If you're interested in them, then the links are here or down in the description below. Before I would start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to disassemble the lens. I will use a PH30 screwdriver, a PH20 screwdriver, a metal tweezers and a plastic tweezers, a pliers with teeth, a cutting pliers, and a wood screw. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. If you find that video useful, informative, and adds value to you, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, and consider donating. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So, let's get started. This is the lens which has problems with the image stabilization unit. We will disassemble the lens to get access to the flex cable. Remove the two smaller screws from the electronic connector. Remove the 4 screws from the bayonet. Lift off the bayonet ring very carefully on the opposite side of the electronic connector, then push the inner plastic ring up to remove it. Disconnect the flex cable on the switch, then lift up the plastic cover ring. Disconnect the flex cables. Remove the screw from the PCB, then remove the PCB. Use the plastic tweezers to remove the rubber zooming ring. Remove the cover of the zoom pin. Remove the screw from the zoom pin, then the zoom pin itself. Remove the two screws which are holding the autofocusing unit. Remove the autofocusing unit by lifting it up. Remove those screws from the rear of the lens. Remove the outer lens barrel. Remove the screws from the flex cable holders. As we can see, the flex cable is broken into two parts. Remove the three screws from the rear of the lens, then remove the rear lens element. Remove the screws from the three plastic rings which are closer to the rear of the lens. Use a screw to remove the plastic rings, then the inner lens element will slide out. This is the image stabilization unit, and we continue with disassembling it. Remove those 3 screws. Remove the plastic cover, then use the tweezers to remove the inner sticky plastic ring. Use the pliers to remove the metal cover. Strong magnets are holding in its place. Remove those 3 springs carefully, because it is very easy to lose them. The next step is to cut the flex cable, that way the inner lens element can be removed easier. Be very careful, because the lens element sits on 3 small bolts, and it is very easy to lose them. Those are the 3 small bolts. Remove them before you would remove the remains of the flex cable. We have finished disassembling the lens to replace the flex cable of the image stabilization unit. In the next video I show you how to replace the flex cable with a new one. The link is in the upper right hand corner or in the description below. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you find it useful, informative and adds value to you, then like this video, subscribe to my channel and consider donating. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. See you next time in another video.